Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So it's been a couple of days I haven't able to upload the video. The reason behind is I was preparing for one of the exam which is not well known in finance field, but yeah, there is some sort of requirement to basically to start your career in finance field. So this is the certificate which I've taken. It is NISM certificate which is backed by SEBI. Just hold a second. So yeah, it was backed by SEBI. So I need to clear the exam basically. So there are a lot of things which I have prepared, and because of that, I am able to clear this particular exam, which is not so that hard, you can say. If somebody's plan and somebody's have cleared his concept, so basically he can pass the exam basically. So if I talk about myself, I basically prepare for this exam around like 2 to 3 weeks, and within this period of time I have completed the exam and got like around 63%, and which is a quite good thing, probably because I never think about like getting 70 to 80%. It's just the same thing, like if you're getting above than 60, because the benchmark is to clear to pass basically we need to get 60 percent marks, so which I've got it, right? So yeah, now I'm going to search a lot of jobs in different organizations which are like dealing in financial instruments such as like options, futures, and equity. So these are all the things which lots of people and lots of organizations are focusing on to hedge their position, or you can say to speculate in equity market on and some sort of like there is arbitrage as well. So these are the things which I've learned from the workbook which was given by the SEBI, right? So yeah, it was a very great learning. I got to know like concept like how the things work. Before that I didn't know about anything regarding like how things works basically. I just know the strategies and how we need to take call we need to take put. So I didn't know the basically inner thing which is most important, right? Why stock moves more than one single day. So these are all the things which I've learned it, and I'm going to apply this knowledge in upcoming future as well. And yeah, there's lots of people's which I found out, and basically I went to the NISM institute. I just want to like give feedback regarding that. Absolutely, they have managed all the things very well. Where I have visited over there, like there are a lot of people around coming to give the interview, and everything is fine, I can say. And they have managed all the things very well. And like if we have booked the exam for 4 o'clock in the evening, so if they do have like sufficient time or sufficient basically space, so they will like started before 4 o'clock, like between like 3:30 to 4 they will start. So yeah, I've completed my exam around 5:50 or 5:40. So it was a good experience. At the end, basically after completing the exam, we need to basically check our scores. So after like in between there is option for like giving the feedback. I just close that, and then after I just check my scores which I'm focusing on, because I do not want to give this exam again and again. Because yeah, if we are like some interested in something, so we need to clear it on the first time. So this is most important. So that's why I have cleared it. And before that I also like do have a knowledge, so that is also a added advantage which I've used it. So if somebody is want to basically clear NISM exam of like 8 series. So you can comment me, I can guide you like what are the things which is most important, because in the YouTube there are a lot of things which is not that much of important, but still, yeah, because of that there are a lot of things which is required to be learned, so we cannot able to learn that. So yeah, I'll teach all the peoples what are the things that is important, that and what are the things which is not. So this is it for today's video. I hope you find this video helpful. Bye bye, have a good day.